Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. So today we are meeting a special person, Sagar Sheldegar, the Living It Up series fame. No, I've been following him since the Power Drifts channel when he was working over there. So I'm at my friend's place. So we are starting from here. I came in my Dio. This is a Daytona taking rest. No, look at the dust, guys. Because the exhaust is broken. I'm not sure if you're able to see it. There is a crack in the exhaust, so we're waiting for it to change it. Exhaust has been ordered and it is delivered from UK. So let's start. Busy chatting with his girlfriends, you know? All right. What's the outside temperature?
Now it's reduced a bit.
How temperature?
5 degree more than normal.
Is it coming?
32 coming.
Okay. So outside degree is actually 40. So the plan is to go to a garage opening ceremony that is in Nilangari. So they are Moto Dynamics is the brand name. Like a lot of people I know and I have been servicing the bike over there. So they do it pretty perfectionally. So that's the reason like he has a lot of customers, right? So he is one of his fan. So he is shifting to a new location. So we are going there and Sagar is coming there as a guest. So we just got the invitations. So and our gang is coming to the venue directly. So we'll get to see some ISO bike videos today. Let's go, guys. So there has been a lot of police checking due to the election. So wherever you go these days, you know, a lot of checking. So there's a change in the plan. So we have picked up our friend, this is Deepan. Alright, so let's go. Problem of wearing specs. I have to wait for some time to just go on. I have to wipe it. Crazy, guys. என்ன பாரு அவன் அக்கப்பூரா இருக்கு அவங்க அக்கப்பூர். Hey. வண்டி எடுத்து வந்தாருப்பா. Wow. Hey buddy. Hey you. அங்க இருந்து இங்க வரதுக்கு ஓபன் பண்ணிட்டு வரீங்களா எல்லாரும்? ராஜங்க. Bro, na nice to see you back on the bike.
Thanks bro.
எப்படி இருக்கு உடம்பு பரவாயில்லையா இப்போ?
பரவாயில்ல.
ஹெல்மெட்டுக்குள்ள ஹெல்மெட் கேட்குறான் அவனை பார்த்து. ஹெல்மெட் கேட்ட அப்புறம் ஹெல்மெட் போட்டிங்களேண்ணே? Yes. So that's our guys. This is the Ninja 650 which I reviewed, the BS6 model. போலாமா? எங்க போனோம்? போ நீ போ. வண்டி எங்க போனோம்? அங்க போனோமா? இப்படியா? இல்லை உள்ள போடு. மொட்டை வண்டி எங்க போட போய்? டே போடு, லைனாக போடு, போடு. The lineup over here. ஜெயதி பண்ணிதானே இது? So he is the owner of the garage.
Hi, Anish. Thank you.
So, hi, bro.
Thank you guys for all.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming. Carry on. 2 minutes.
Yep. So this is his bike which he used for the track purpose. Full system aero exhaust. This is Moto Guzzi. எந்த இயர் மாடல் அது?
1980 something. அந்த வந்தார்ல ஒருத்தர் அவர்து தான் அது.
So this is a Honda 4-cylinder Nighthawk 650. Vintage model, guys, you know. Honda CB 350. Hey, hi bro.
Sagar.
Yeah, I met you last time when you had the meetup over there.
It's so difficult to know with the mask. Who are you?
So how's things going on? I used to follow the Living It Up series. Yeah, it's amazing.
There's a special video coming tomorrow. I hope you watch it.
So my favorite is the 6R video which I put, right? So that's my favorite bike. So I was taking a look at that.
Did you get one already or
Nope.
in the works?
It's in the work. I don't know when it's going to. I currently have Duke 390.
Nice. That's a good bike.
Yeah.
One of my favorite bikes.
I thought of going for the adventure. Not sure how. But you have to satisfy both the worlds, right? So if I go for a track bike, then I can't go take it anywhere off-road. That's
I mean, that's what. At the most, you can tour on it if you have a butt of steel. But if you want to go off-road, you need a specialized bike. Might as well go for the Xpulse, no? It won't be as expensive. It is very sturdy, especially now with the rally kit. It's a lot of fun.
but I rode it. The thing is, it doesn't have the power which I
No,
expect.
but
Like,
you will have to. You can put Powertronics, you can put the sprocket, and then it will fly.
right? Maybe I have to try it one.
Because again, off-road, you don't need a lot of power, especially if you're new to off-road. Otherwise, it will scare you. So for the road, it's bad, but off-road, it's
Yeah, I have one Kerala. I have it.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of off-roads over there. So
exactly.
yeah, I've been doing that. Maybe I have to upgrade this rally
Even-
kit
so
and
if
see.
you're from Kerala, you must know of the School of Dirt, no? Also Chaco, School of Dirt.
I've heard them.
Yeah. So even they have Xpulses, and it's a lot of fun.
Okay, great.
So if you are serious about just off-road, then go for the Xpulse.
I was waiting for like there is a rumors going on like they are planning to launch 300, right?
Who knows when that will come? Like everyone's waiting, but I don't know.
Just a little bit, like at least somewhere close to 30 horsepower, like a little bit of more torque is what I was expecting.
Just we don't know when it's going to come. That's the problem.
Because when you compare it with the KTM's, no,
Yeah, you can't compare.
that's the thing.
But I mean, that's the. But KTM's are also so expensive, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the 390 Adventure comes to almost 4 lakhs.
So that's what we expect from Indian manufacturers, right? Let them like bring something
yeah.
surprising that will be like many people will go for it definitely if they launch a 300.
No, if they launch the 300 Xpulse, it'll be possibly the perfect bike.
That's what I was waiting for. I don't know. Let's see
Going to off-road area.
if they come at me. Because if you see the Adventure 390, it's almost like close to 4 lakhs.
Yeah, exactly. It's a very good bike, but yeah, all motorcycles are becoming expensive now. So
Right. Even this V-Strom, like a couple of my friends were planning for this V-Strom 650. It was just 8.6 on-road, like the previous version. There was nothing much upgraded, but they have almost raised 1.5 lakhs. That's crazy, you know.
I don't like the V-Strom. I'm not too fond. I don't like the suspension setup. The engine is very uncharacteristic of Suzuki. It's quite vibey. And also in terms of clearance, even though it has a, I think 1917 setup, it still doesn't have. It has the same ground clearance as the Versys. So it makes you wonder why. Why did they?
So what do you suggest if we go for Kawasaki? The spares are expensive. Again, the maintenance is a bit on higher side.
Yeah.
So actually, we don't have bikes in that range. Actually,
So that way the 390 Adventure is perfect.
right.
Because you're getting really good safety features in terms of cornering ABS. You have traction controls, okay. But
You even get a quick shifter, all these things, right?
I mean, for me, more importantly, you get cornering ABS. So when you're on the road, you're safe.
Right.
For a bike of that segment, to offer you that is amazing. The quick shifter doesn't really work that well. But yeah, as an all-round bike for touring, it's fantastic. It's also very good at soft roading.
Have you got a chance to ride this Benelli TRK 502?
Benelli is never very keen on lending me the bikes. I have no idea why. I'm not sure what they are
Okay.
afraid about.
I don't know. Bike is good, but
It's very heavy.
kind of heavy, you know,
Super
like
heavy.
it's not. It won't surprise you. Like the throttle is very linear. I don't know how the spares are these days. Like
Yeah.
previously, we had a lot of issues in spares.
Yeah.
That's one thing. Let's see. And nice meeting you. I took a lot of time of yours.
No problem.
Yeah.
Ride safe. Ride
Yeah,
safe.
sure. Thank you. Yeah, bye.
Very nice meeting you. Same here.
Yep. All right, guys. So we are done with this meet. So we're going elsewhere for the evening plans. See you guys in the next video. Subscribe and support. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.